How to go live on Snapchat. Going live on Snapchat is a feature that was initially limited to verified creator or selected accounts and is not available to all users like on other platforms. If you are verified creators, then you can simply use this feature. But if you are not, then to do it, there is one simple trick. Simply go through your Snapchat application and hit on the profile icon which is on the top left corner of your screen. From there on the top right you will see setting gear icon, simply tap on it. Now if you scroll down here, there you will see live option if you are a verified creator. But if you are not, then for that you have to simply launch your Snapchat and go back to the camera. From here on the bottom right you will see play icon, simply tap on it. This is the spotlight feature available on Snapchat where you can share all of your ideas and views. This is the only way to share your idea and views to a lot of users instantly, like going on live. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.